The power of feedback. Elevate your proofreading. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into an essential part of the proofreading process, seeking feedback from others. You've done the work, written your draft, and now you're wondering, is it really error-free? The best way to find out is by getting a fresh pair of eyes on it. Let's explore why and how. Seeking feedback is not just about catching errors. It's about understanding how others perceive your writing. Here's why it's essential. 1. Fresh perspective. When we read our work repeatedly, we tend to skip over errors because our brain knows what we intended to write. 2. Clarifying meaning. Sometimes, what's clear in our heads isn't apparent to readers. Feedback can help identify ambiguous statements. 3. Improving style. Readers can point out where your writing feels stiff, verbose, or lacks fluidity. Choosing the right people for feedback is crucial. Here are some suggestions. 1. Peers in your field. They can offer specialized insight related to the content and context. 2. Non-experts. If you want to know if your writing is universally understandable, ask someone outside of your field. 3. Professional editors. If you have resources, they can provide expert feedback on grammar, style, and structure. 4. Language learners. Fellow learners can offer a unique perspective as they may notice things native speakers might overlook. Receiving feedback is a skill in itself. Here's how to make the most of it. 1. Be open-minded. Remember, feedback is about improvement, not criticism. 2. Prioritize feedback. If multiple people point out the same issue, it's likely something to address. 3. Ask questions. If you don't understand feedback, ask for clarification. 4. Decide what to implement. You're the writer. It's up to you to decide which feedback to incorporate. While seeking feedback, it's equally essential to know how to provide it. 1. Be constructive. Instead of saying, "This is wrong," try, "Here's a suggestion to make it clearer." 2. Balance praise and critique. Always point out strengths alongside areas of improvement. 3. Be specific. Vague feedback isn't useful. Instead of, "This part is unclear," you might say, "I got lost when you described the process here." Maybe breaking it down further could help? Proofreading is not a solitary activity. By seeking feedback, you harness the collective wisdom of others, elevating your writing from good to great. Remember, every piece of advice is an opportunity for growth. Happy proofreading, and until next time, keep writing and keep learning.